Introducing ActiveWater from Bosch, saving water through making it work harder.
Did you know that some dishwashers wastefully use more water than they need to? Why pay for water you don't need? With my Bosch, it's not a problem. ActiveWater is a revolutionary water management system that combines targeted water circulation, faster heating up times, and enhanced pump performance. So I don't just use less water, I use less energy and save on my electricity bill too. Selected Bosch ActiveWater dishwashers can clean 13 place settings using just 6.5 litres of water by recycling clean rinse water into the main wash cycle. That's less than a kitchen sink full.
ActiveWater from Bosch, maximizing every drop.